Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 7 civics chapter growing up as boys and girls. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying the video, and if you are really liking the videos and want to watch more such videos, you can get the link of playlist in the end of the video as well as in description box. And please comment in the comment section and tell me where from you are watching these videos. So let's start today's video. First question is, societies make clear distinction dash boys and girls. Answer is between. Society make clear distinction between boys and girls. Next question is, in most societies men and women do not have the dash status. Answer is same. Men and women do not have same status. Next question is, distinction between boys and girls is dash in the smallest and most common things. Answer is created. Distinction between boys and girls is created among most common things. Next question is, the work that women do within the home is not dash as work. Answer is recognized. Their work is not recognized as work. Next question is, housework involves many different tasks which require heavy dash work. Answer is physical. Housework involves many activities, out of which some are really physical work. Next question is, dash is a sense of self-awareness of who one is. Answer is identity. Next question is, housework is very dash consuming. Answer is time. Housework is very time consuming. Next question is, a range of tasks related to the looking after and nurturing are the commonly called dash. Answer is caregiving. The term is used for these tasks is caregiving. Next question is, the term commonly used to describe women's double workload is dash. Answer is double burden. Woman does work at home as well as outside home to earn their livelihood. That is called double burden. Next question is, the government has passed laws that make it mandatory for organizations that have more than 30 women employees to provide dash facilities. Answer is creat. If organization has more than 30 women, they have to provide creche facilities. That is all for the today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe it. Do press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever new video is published. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.